Learn English with story. Young painter. Picasso. A long time ago, there was a young painter who lived in a small, cramped house before becoming famous. He made a living by painting portraits. One day, a wealthy man passed by and was captivated by the artist's detailed artwork. Impressed, the wealthy man asked the painter to create a portrait for him, and they agreed on a fee of $10,000. A week later, the portrait was completed, and the wealthy man came to collect it as agreed. However, he had a wicked idea in his mind and decided to cheat the young painter, thinking he could take advantage of his lack of fame. Instead of paying the agreed-upon fee, the wealthy man proposed to buy the painting for only $3,000. The young painter was shocked and taken aback. He had never experienced such a situation before and felt a sense of panic. He tried to reason with the wealthy man, reminding him of their agreement and urging him to be an honorable person who keeps his word. But the wealthy man, feeling superior, dismissed the painter's pleas. He arrogantly said, "I will only pay $3,000 for this painting. Don't bother arguing with me." The young painter, filled with indignation, stood his ground and firmly replied, "No, I will not sell it. I would rather not sell this painting than endure your humiliation. Today, you break your promise, but in the future, you will pay a price 20 times greater." Laughing dismissively, the wealthy man responded, "What a joke. 20 times means 200,000. I'm not foolish enough to spend 200,000 on this painting." The young painter calmly declared, "We shall see." After this incident, the painter left that disheartening place and sought a new mentor to refine his skills. He tirelessly practiced day and night. As time went on, he finally made a name for himself and achieved success in the art world. As for the wealthy man, he completely forgot about the painter and their conversation as soon as he left the studio. However, one day, several of the wealthy man's friends coincidentally informed him, "Friend, something strange has happened. We visited an art exhibition featuring a renowned artist, and one of the portraits in the exhibition looks exactly like you. It's priced at 200,000 and labeled 'The Thief.'" The wealthy man felt as if he had been struck on the head. He suddenly remembered the incident with the young painter from over a decade ago. Realizing the damage this could do to his reputation, he hurriedly went to find the painter and apologize. He purchased the portrait for 200,000, finally acknowledging his mistake. The young artist, driven by his unwavering determination, had made the wealthy man bow his head.